Hey, Doggie, what do you got there? Oh, it's the RTA. Oh, it's the one gunslinger. Oh yeah, I have the serious here. Well, I'll be on the lookout for great things. Griffin! Well, actually, girl, he has his massive birdhouse. See, I have a birdhouse. Hey, girl, how about we see the place? Because it may be here. Oh, do you want to see the moon that we saw last night? Yeah, the bigger one here. It has out of the point. What do you call that point, Dig? The beak? Come on. Let's get the birds on here. And you can see that the truth. And we're to decide whether we're going to get issue here. Yes! Oh, we're coming. Well, there she is. Well, whoever that just moves in, they have next door.
Check out my expensive fountain.
Look.
You built a great birdhouse, son.
You built a great birdhouse, brother. I'm proud of you. Thanks, brother. No! What is that thing? Jeez, what was that thing? I don't know. It's like a super bird. Well, that super bird is trying to make me. Oh, yeah. Well, now you have a Terry shoe. Secretary shoe? When do I get the Cento? It looks like I have, like, allergies. Who has a budget cut? Okay, no budget cut. Has anyone seen your father? I am here. I want you to meet my falcon. Cheese. I'm a falcon. At the end of Christmas, and I got around here. Griffin, that falcon looks pretty dangerous. Yeah, Griffin, get rid of it right now. Nope, I have a falcon, and that's final. Speedy Buster! Griffin!
Yeah,
He's Xerxes. I expected that.